Felicity is Oracle. Felicity is Oracle. Dinah Drake is Laurel and Sara Lancey's grandmother. Dinah Drake is Laurel and Sara Lancey's grandmother. The Secret Six will replace the Suicide Squad. The Secret Six will replace the Suicide Squad. Batman will appear on Arrow. Batman will appear on Arrow. There could be a Red Hood and the Outlaws spin-off series. There could be a Red Hood and the Outlaws spin-off series. The Birds of Prey could join the Arrowverse. The Birds of Prey could join the Arrowverse. John Diggle will become Green Lantern. Some of the theories surrounding John Diggle's transformation into the Green Lantern suggest Diggle's middle name is Stewart, allowing the character to segue into the role of John Stewart, one of the early adaptations of the Green Lantern. Redditor/u/James Not deems Diggle Lantern theory is tied to an even bigger event teased by the Arrowverse. Essentially, Diggle will fulfill his destiny as the Arrowverse's very own Green Lantern during Crisis on Infinite Earths, a famous comic book event first teased on The Flash. Black Siren joins Team Arrow. Redditor/u/Donnie Mox has a theory about how Black Siren's Earth to Laurel's shift from supervillain to superhero could go down, and it begins with Quentin's death. According to this theory, Black Canary Dinah Drake turns evil, and Quentin's death inspired Black Siren to join Team Arrow in order to stop the now-rogue Black Canary, who has a lasting vendetta against Black Siren for killing her beloved Vincent Aka Vigilante.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.